Samsung Galaxy M55. In this video we're going to talk about this mobile. Now before going to the video, wait, see this. Yeah, you guys are watching my videos, thank you for that, but I need your support. I need your support in the form of subscription. When I get a subscriber, I'll feel very much impressed, because it gives me motivation to do more videos like this. So just hit the subscribe button and support me by clicking that like button. So let's start with this video. This Samsung Galaxy M55 mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of Super AMOLED plus 120Hz refresh display, and it is a 1600 nits peak brightness display, which is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass. And this mobile comes with when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which is a 4nm based 5G processor. It comes with a 13 5G bands. And when we talk about this mobile's storage variants, this mobile will be available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256. Now these are hybrid storage capacities, like you can insert a micro SD card also along with a SIM card. This mobile also comes with a lot of features. When we talk about the camera section, it does comes with triple cameras. Those are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera and 2 megapixels of macro. For the front, it does comes with a huge 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, like the Moto Edge 50 Pro, which I have made a video about that mobile in the previously. I will leave a link to that in this iCard section as well as here in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. When we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile is a Samsung M series, that means monster series. So it does comes with a huge battery, it comes with a 5000 milliamp hours of battery, which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire. Remember, no wireless charge and no reverse wireless charge, no reverse charge. This mobile also comes with a lot of features, like it does comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 5.2, and this mobile also comes with a NFC. This mobile also has all the sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope and compass, everything. This mobile will be available in two colors. Those are light gray and blue colors. So I will leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below, so you can directly go and buy it from there also. And when we talk about the operating system, this runs on Android version 14 out of the box along with the One UI latest version. So these are the features of this mobile. So this mobile was priced at 26,999 rupees. I mean, you can get it by 25,000 rupees if you have some ICICI credit cards or something like that. So this is all about the mobile. And when we talk about the box contents, you will get a 45 mobile itself, TPU case and SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides also. And with you might not get a 45 watt fast charger with this mobile, which is not fair, but that's the truth. So this is all about the mobile. So this mobile doesn't comes with any features like water resistant, dust resistant, or wireless charge, or features like that. So these are the things that we are missing in this mobile. So tomorrow I'm going to make a video about the comparison of Xiaomi 14 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to watch that video. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.